So what era is this around?
Well, this comes from 1856.
Ah, 1856. Amazing. And how did they, all of that is coal? How they got the heat on those ovens?
Well,
incredible.
See, you put that's the warming oven. That's where you put your bread to rise.
Okay.
And And see, you put cobs and wood and stuff down in there.
Right.
And that. And this is what the ladies used to iron clothes with.
Interesting. Wow.
I picked that up.
Cool. They had to carry that. That's oh my
And
god.
they put that on the stove.
How they did that? They with the women. Oh
Yeah.
wow.
And this was a reservoir that heated the water. You
Okay.
could put water in there, and
Gotcha.
this is a churn you made butter with.
Butter. That's how butter was made.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is your, of course, your lights.
You'd make butter inside the house. Incredible.
And then you put kerosene in there.
Kerosene.
That had a wick.
Gotcha. I mean, look at this. All looks sort of. They were they all that. It looks really nice. It's 1856, so they made the emblem on it. Or did you add that?
Well, this was it. Yeah.
Yeah, you had to add
But
that.
this building happened to come from where my wife grew up, but they, we'll bring kids through and they'll say, where did they go to the bathroom? So
The outhouse. Okay. Right.
I made an outhouse.
Like that. Good. This is all donated. This.
Yeah, all this stuff
Cool.
is donated. Yeah.
Very. I'm so
Yeah.
glad they did too.
Yeah.
'Cause it's hard. It's just hard to believe.
Where's your home at then?
My friend's staying off Garfield. I'm staying with
okay.
her for a couple days. So this is how you did it. This was your bathtub.
And this is a stove. This is a stove. That's a heating stove in there.
That's the heating stove. This is essentially the entertainment room, as it
Yeah,
were. This is what you did for entertainment.
Yeah.
Books, I would imagine, and that's all couch.
Yeah.
Wow. And somebody actually lived in this particular domicile?
Yeah, it had an upstairs, but they had to take it off when they moved it, so it did have.
Oh, I would imagine, naturally.
Yeah.
Naturally.
But yeah, there was a family that lived here. I don't know if you've studied history. Not when the Mormons come through this area.
Uh-huh.
It was this some of the Mormons stayed in this area.
Right.
And that's how that. But
Now, what is that, sir?
that's a pressure cooker.
Okay.
You know what they blow the.
Oh, yeah.
stuff up
No,
and
I'm
blow
familiar
it.
with pressure cooker.
But see, that's got a gauge on it, and you didn't want it to get over, so. And I think it had a kind of a relief valve here.
Gotcha.
You know, that thing's probably 100 years old, so.
The valve, wow.
Pressure cookers have been around for a long time.
They didn't use that back in 1850, did you?
Well, and this, this is a grinder you could grind meat up with.
I got the grinder, but
yeah.
like,
Quick meal.
so they had
Well, I suppose that was kind of a warming oven to put stuff in.
a warming oven, okay. So you couldn't really cook,
No.
venison that they shot and all the meat that they, all the animals, so. Okay, well. Cool. This is all, wow,
That's a little.
this cabin was from 1850? These dishes,
Yeah, probably that
1850?
era, yeah.
Wow.
Well, it's 1900 to 1968.
All right, so not quite.
This is a cherry picker. Cherry picker, I guess.
Cherry pitter, right. Good thing to have.
No, this is a cherry picker. I don't know what this is. That's an apple core, I think.
Okay, cool.
But that's cobs.
There's the corn of the cobs, right?
That you burn in the stove.
Cool. Wow. I'm glad they donated it.
Yeah,
So
this was up.
Okay, so they lived right. Oh, this was the downstairs, the upstairs.
Yeah, this one actually
Gotcha.
has an upstairs, but we had to put some cables across upstairs. So.
Okay.
But this was, they actually had electric lights in this one at one
Are
time.
you kidding me? By 1850 era or no?
No, they probably and lights didn't come through here.
Yeah,
till,
no.
1940s or something like that. So that's probably in that area when they put lights in. Just another. You got your old spinning wheel and you got your wool
And this wasn't 1850 because there's a picture of Sherman right there. So that had to come later. Or did you just put this to add to the decor? Did they have the picture?
We had this picture.
This is Iowa. Where was Iowa's? Where were they standing on the Civil War? Where was their allegiance to?
Weren't they in the north, I think, weren't they?
I mean, common sense prevails that
I
you
know,
never know. You never
I've
know.
got a thing up on a computer about all the veterans of the Civil War, and you know, the biggest share of people died from disease, or you know.
That's right. Yep.
More than getting shot in the Civil War.
That's right.
Or you know,
Bacteria.
they froze their feet and all that stuff. And
yep. Yep. It's a very graphic war. Cool. Cotton.
That's wool.
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 Rather.
Yeah, from sheep, and then they spun it. That's what
spun it.
Yeah, that's a spinning wheel.
Spinning wheel. Fascinating. Now, who is this fella?
Oh, you got his name on there? I can't tell you.
There we go. Probably. That's Macintosh right there. Builder.
That's the one that had
1857. It looks like it. It looks.
That's the guy that first guy had.
That's the one that's in there. Wow.